Hi Aries, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for September the 12th to September the 15th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. Now, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, nagla-live din po tayo doon. And kung gusto niyo pong sumali, you're very much welcome. No? Aries, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading, or you may resonate with the entire reading. No? Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin. Aries, parang medyo may takot. It's actually a mixed emotion. Takot, saya, excitement. Pero more of, parang natutuliro tayo kung hindi natin alam kung anong gagawin. Meron na sa ating push na, sige, ibigay na natin yung gusto, no, ni person. Especially when your person here is asking for some intimate moments. Parang sa'yo, hindi sa ayaw kong ibigay. Actually, I also want to express, how much I feel, for my person. But the thing here is, I also do not want to give it the intimate moments or making love, with my person. Baka mamaya iniisip ko, ito lang ba ang habol sa akin? Or iniisip ko na baka mamaya ay hindi naman talaga, baka gusto lang din talaga maka-score. Hindi pa siya sure, no? Wherein, hindi ko naman din maibabalik yung mga time. Pwedeng tayo ay reserved, no? Tayo ay, sabihin natin, strong yung paniniwala na making love is sacred, no? Hindi naman tayo pinalaki or wala sa katauhan natin, no, na maging paraffol, no? Yung pamigay, ayan. Tinatawag ng ibang pokpok, ayan. Hindi naman po, no? Kaya ang sinasabi natin dito is, probably it's also because of the nandito tayo sa mga Maria Clara type of still thinking, which is wala namang masama, no? Actually, isa yun sa mga pinaka nakakamangha, no? For those people, meron kasi mga lumang paniniwala na dapat talaga binabago. Pero with the aggressiveness of our youngsters right now, and especially may mga kumakalat na mga sexually transmitted disease, kailangan talaga din natin mag-ingat apart from, those, apart from those mga diseases, mas inaano natin yung puri, no, natin at yung, kumbaga sabihin natin, reputasyon. Ayoko kasi may nasasabi sa akin na, ay, kung sino na lang, no? Kung sino-sino na lang. Hindi naman natin sinasabi dito na sabihin natin na limited lang siya sa NBSB or no boyfriend since birth or no NGSB, no girlfriend since birth. Sabihin nyo ng old school ako, but I feel like at least, no, kung wala man akong maipagmamalaki, ito ang maipagmamalaki ko na hindi ako pamigay, no. Again, hindi ko siya nililimit sa about virginity, no. Pwedeng sabihin natin dito na, yeah, may experience din ako, pero porket ba nagkaroon ako ng experience, no, gagawin ko na lang siya palagi, no. Nandito yung reservations when it comes to, and also believing in the matrimony of, of this sacred, sabihin natin ritual, no, I'm not speaking kung ano mang religion yan, no? Yung mga pag-iisang dibdib na yan, I feel like I value them, no? That's important for me. So Aries with the Nine of Cups and the Page of Swords, I feel like hindi kita pinupush, no? Kung ayaw mo, ayaw mo. And actually, that's, again, kudos to you. Dahil the control itself, when it comes to that, it's hard to either conquer. But I feel like this person will be um, the person for you, no? I feel like this is a lasting commitment. There may be some ideas, no? Or paglaki ko, gusto ko makapangasawa ng ganito, blah, 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 yada, yada. It may not met all, or that these person may not met all your uh, checklists, no? Pero, mostly, no, mamimit naman niya. Especially when it comes to treating you right, especially when it comes to giving you the commitment, no? Yun pa naman ang pinakamahirap lately, ang magkaroon ng isang committed relationship. Pwedeng you may be in a relationship, but is it committed? Your person is committed? That's something that we should always probably consider, no, when it comes to choosing a lifetime partner. Not just a partner, a lifetime partner. With the Six of Pentacles and the Ten of Pentacles, ano bang mga cards to dahil sobrang ganda? I feel like both of you are also going to have, with the Page of Swords, this is an agreement. Not just romantic, not just sensual, no, life, but also monetary. I feel like you're gonna become a team with this person. No, parang both of you are going to help each other, like hand in hand together, for you to achieve all the dreams and yung parang yung gustong makamit. Parang you're gonna be the lucky charm of your person, and your person's going to be the lucky charm of yours, with the Queen of Swords and the Two of Swords. So it felt like to me na medyo wag natin pag-isipan ng masama, kasi it may lead into, because of our Queen of Swords attitude, no, na parang we're not giving the person the chance to discuss things. Parang kasi ang gross, no, kapag pag-uusapan natin about sex. Parang pinipilit mo ba ako, no? Let's hear them out, no? And if you just don't want, then don't like it, no? Probably there is really a proper time, but also giving your person the ability to speak their mind, no? At least you're giving them the idea of an open, no? I'm not limiting you to do things. With the Queen of Wands, the Page of Pentacles, the Ten of Wands, and the Seven of Cups. So from the energy of the cards, no, I feel like medyo nahihirapan tayong mag-trust, no, sa person, probably because of the traumas that we had from the past. And there's nothing wrong when you are saving yourself from, bad experience, no? That's actually your birthright to, no one can save you but yourself, diba? That's understandable. But from what I am seeing, ang hirap kasi kapag iba yung nanakit sa'yo, no? Tapos dahil sa trauma, may dumating na tao, you're going to compare that person to the other person who hurt you. Sometimes it's unfair. You also have to put yourself into this person's shoes. What if kung meron silang ex na sabihin natin tirarantado sila, no? Tapos ang tinu-tinu mo namang tao, 'di ba? Tapos pag-iisipan ka niya ng hindi maganda. Not because of your personality, not because of you, but because of the other person's, yung ginawa ng other person sa kanila. No, we also have to consider, um, also probably we need to gauge our judgment, no, if it's just, no, if it is, I don't want to say proper kasi the being proper is what you're doing. No, I think we just need to gauge whatever works for you works for you. If this works for you, probably you just need to tell your person the reason why para at least open ang communication natin, di ba? Wala namang force dito. Wala namang pagpupumili, di ba? At least let your person know the reason why. My beloved, and I wish you were next to me. I feel like init na init lang talaga si person sa iyo, no? Baka ganun tayo ka, baka ganun siya kahayok sa iyo, or talagang kaali-alindog tayo, no? So this is your reading. Aries, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, Leo, Taurus, Sagittarius, Virgo, Capricorn, Scorpio. So this is your reading, Aries. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. You know? So, Aries, kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kilalang kilala nyo po ang inyong sarili. Aries pa ba? No? Kung hindi kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating question form. No? Sa question form po, sa baba po nun, nandun yung QR codes. Sa QR codes, nakalabel naman po siya. So, nandun yung how much per question. Per question po, para malinaw tayo. Kasi meron pong iba na kapag nagtanong, ilalagay lang sa number yung sa isang question. Pero, kung titingnan mo talaga, para mga 6-7 questions yon, no? Hindi po yun per question. Actually, binabalik ko naman yung payment pag ganun. Anyway, per question, no? I also created a 4 questions plus 1. So kung susumahin ninyo or titingnan ninyo, oo nga, mas mura siya sa ibang TikTok, no? Na live or questions. Or if you also check, oo nga, discounted na yung 4 questions, meron pang libreng isa, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no, sa ating description box or dun sa QR codes. Ayan. Kung hindi naman po kayo nagmamadali, sumali na po kayo dun sa ating raffle, no, para sa ating personal reading. Paano sumali? All you need to do is to report those fake accounts. And by the way, congratulations. 2 na yung napapasara. So, konti na lang. Report those fake accounts, take a screenshot, and send it to the designated email. Pag nagapi po natin yan, bubuno tayo ng winner. Ayan. So, Aries, this is your reading. Kung hinahanap niyo po pala yung ibang mga readings, no, nasa Facebook po yan, lalo na if you still care about your ex, no, sa Facebook po. Doon ko po pinopost. Magkakaroon na rin po tayo ng Facebook exclusive, TikTok exclusive, no, and for YouTube only. So when we say exclusive, doon lang siya ipopost. Kaya might as well follow nyo na lahat ng social media. Kung di nyo mahanap, doon po sa question form, nandun po yung mga icons or logo, no, ng social media accounts. Click nyo lang yung logo, dadali na kayo doon sa page. This is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.